Well, I did it. I bought a welder. It was $100 at Harbor Freight. Got everything on sale that you see here. Comes with some 30 cord, got some 35, some nipples, some more deep sockets, just to add to the mess. I got front and rear pads for a customer's car I'm gonna take care of. You see this place is a mess. There's just something everywhere. But cleaned up the garbage. Cleaned out the garbage from the place, so that's good. Got the lift coming tomorrow. It's gonna go in this second bay right here. It's gonna attach up into these steel I-beams up here. And yeah, so we got forced air. Gonna have a lift. This is a real old school oil pit. We're not gonna open it up because I'm too fat to bend over. But this used to be a Jaguar enthusiast who owned this place, and he would hold these Jaguar Club meetups here. So that's why you see the signs around. I really like this. Over here is a piece of wood that they burnt in, engraved the Jaguar symbol to that. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, PV plaster hit the floor. So yeah, picked up a real nifty breaker bar today, 25 inch. Just for the really stuck stuff. Show you the car that I'm going to be working on today. I don't know if I'm going to record this or not, but probably will. This is a Ford Transit, I think 2500. Front brakes and rotors. Light's bad, so you can't see that tire is low. But yeah, just out here in the yard. Still can't see anything. Let's walk back towards the light. This big red right here. It's a 99 K2500. It's got the Chevy Lean on the tailgate. I found these in Walmart, and they're just camo burlap. And they were $2.50 a pop in the clearance section, so I just bought a couple of them, thinking that, you know, if I leave stuff in the back of the truck and I cover it with camo, nobody could see it, and nobody's gonna steal it. Well, we'll see if that actually holds up. We got a real problem in this side of the town that people are breaking into shit left and right. I mean, the coronavirus hasn't been nice to anybody, but it's really just uptick in crime. Oh, a little bit of barbecue accessories. So this is all building materials. We're gonna frame out this section of the shop, put a toilet back there, some office space. Over here we got our couches, chill spot, aka the man cave. Some nifty stuffed mink right here. Oh yeah, just beautiful. Nice LG flat screen up there, Wi-Fi, TV. So the place is hooked up appropriately, you know, but it started transitioning that from a chill spot to work, and it's really just me working. Anybody else you see in the videos, they don't have much to do with anything. But yeah, it's me and a buddy here. He owns the spot. He buys a lot of stuff. I buy a lot of stuff. Sometimes we just sit here and drink. Sometimes we actually do some work. And today, it's all about the work. So I'm gonna set this GoPro to charge for a bit and get cracking on that Transit outside.